Previously on LMF Logs.
All right, so I've been teasing it enough. What's up with the Gladiators? They're my favorite tire on the market, period. 35, 12, 50, 24. And Baby Squat is fixing to change. So y'all saw in the last video that I got the xcomps in, and I as well ordered some wheels and some wheel accessories, which we'll see all that in the following of this video. But basically, y'all know the truck has looked the same for quite a while, and I've honestly just kind of got stuck in the I love the way it looks and I don't want to change it. One reason why I've waited so long for this is because I do like to buy all my wheels and tires from Custom Offset because it's very convenient. You get them, they're mounted, they're balanced, everything, the whole package is done, they're delivered to your door, they're ready to mount. Whereas if you buy them from a different, like if you buy them separately, then you got to go through getting them in different packages, different companies, going to get them mounted and balanced, and just there's a lot more hassle with it, which I will admit has definitely been the case going this route, because Custom Offsets have been sold out or back order for the longest time of these wheels and tires that I wanted to get. So I finally was just like, screw it, hit eBay, hit Amazon, and got all this stuff. I guess that's all I really need to say in order to get this video going, so let's do it. Catching up with y'all. I don't know how many days it's been since the first part of this video, but my wheels finally came in. Got my partner in crime here with me. We're going to pick them up. She doesn't know anything about them because I want to do like a little surprise so you can get her reaction, because honestly I don't think she's going to like it. But
solid.
We're going to get on film either way. All right, here at FedEx, let's go get some wheels.
Get your ID on your chase?
Yes.
You can't film on your chase.
Can't film? Really? Okay. All right, she's loaded up. Thank goodness didn't have any issues aside from them not wanting me to film, but not that big a deal. I guess we're gonna get back. I'm probably gonna crack one open. I'm pretty stoked. Had to stop at the Chipotle. Make the wifey happy. This video's controversial question: Chipotle or Moe's?
Tell them your story.
Moe's is trash. I used to be the Moe's person. Never had Chipotle. She put me on to Chipotle. It's just no question. So how close am I to that curb? I'm gonna wreck these wheels.
Not close at all.
Oh Lord, you scared me with that.
I have never curbed a wheel.
She doesn't curb them. She just turns it too sharp and it about rips my fender off.
Okay, dramatic. So dramatic.
Every time pulling out of the driveway. Fender in there crying, just flopping. I'm gonna open this thing up, get my reaction of seeing them. I don't know if y'all be able to see them or not. I'm just hoping they're not any of them damaged. And I think I'm gonna get Lauren's reaction too, get her impression of them off the truck, and then once we get them on, see them on as well. Oh, we got boxes in boxes. I need to get this off. Oh boy. They look freaking sick. I'm gonna go get her reaction. Sick.
Wreck your truck.
It's alright, it's alright. You hate it. She didn't even deny it. She hates it. She hates it.
It's different.
Brutal.
It is different, but I think they'll look good. I don't know. I've never seen chrome.
That's why I wanted to get your before, because I figured you weren't gonna like them now, but then you might on the truck. But you didn't like that other truck that had snowflakes on it. That's what those other ones were called, snowflakes.
Yeah.
You can't run offset on this without a lift with the bigger tires, because those are 24s.
Well, that's gonna be next.
Those are 24s.
Well, that's gonna be next.
The lift. I hear you. I'm down. Well, we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Hopefully get them mounted up, no problems. All right, boys, we are all loaded up, and it was definitely interesting trying to puzzle piece these things together to get them the best fit. But short bed with the toolbox, it was interesting. The 4 tires in here in the bed, 2 wheels, which she's rocking a mean lean right now. You know, camera's not doing that great on the lighting, but she's loaded. And then in the back we got the other 2 wheels loaded in here, and Dally eating her food that she's not supposed to be eating out of the cup holder in the cup. Anyways, I am headed out going to put some hours in at work and hopefully find a local shop that will mount these things up and do a good job, not mess them up or anything. So that is the plan. Let's do it. Was gonna go to a very local to me off-road shop that's pretty new. Called them this morning and was like, hey, can y'all mount 35s on 24s? And they were like, yeah. And I said, okay, can I swing them by at lunch? And they were like, we probably can't get to it for a couple weeks. And I was like, what? And they basically, I was like, it's gonna take a couple weeks to mount tires on wheels? And they're like, yeah. I was like, okay, well, I'll check back in with you in a couple weeks if I still need you. So going back to the OG Chico shop, they've always done great. All the different wheels that I've ever got mounted and balanced and everything, they've always done extremely good on it. So it's just a really long drive over here, so kind of annoying, but it's not that bad. But it's a lot.
At least from my house.
It's a lot farther than if I was just going to the other place. For starters, if you have any kind of newer truck, there's no reason why you skimp out and don't get TPMS sensors. So found these on Amazon with really good reviews for $40. 4 of them for 40 bucks. To complement that, I went with some little spiked chrome caps. You know, this is gonna be questionable to some people, but I did go with some spiked lug nuts. These aren't for everyone. Lauren's not crazy about them, but I think they're gonna really tie in good with everything. These were $75 and they seem high quality just like everything else here. Chico's pulled through. Nasty little Ram getting a lift. 24x14s look like. Oof. Much better on the tires, right?
Yeah.
Much better. So we got to pay for these things and get out of here. I'm overly excited right now. Really excited. It's the only other new set I've got on this truck since I got the truck with the 22x12s, and that was over 2 years ago. I guess that's gonna be it for this portion. Hopefully the whole experience of buying and getting them together and all that has been good. And next step is just gonna be slapping them on in the reveal for y'all. So hopefully I can get a cool reveal. So let's go ahead and jump to it.
Yeah. Since day one, I've been getting it. I'm spitting gibberish. I just spit the realest shit. That's why they can feel my shit. And I'm limitless, running like a business. I ain't leaving witnesses. I just keep on getting it. So meticulous, spitting out these images, traveling these distances just so I can win it big. And they feeling it. I just keep on dealing it. Jackpot stealing it, having hit the ceiling. Yeah, it's the chronicle. Lick it like a popsicle. Everything is comical. Nothing left is logical. Yeah, biological. Maybe diabolical. They say psychological, that don't mean I'ma stop it. No, economical, thinking technological, thinking philosophical, drinking like an animal, and writing shit that's flammable, writing shit that's tangible, writing hits like damn that flow, they eat them up like cannibals. Spit just like a fighter, I'ma spit just like a cipher. You can call me MacGyver, cause I'm winning, spitting fire, making hits. I ain't tired, and this life got me inspired. Man, this caffeine got me.
And there she is, guys. So absolutely huge shout out to Lauren, Gear, and Mead for helping me film all this and making that possible. So I know the rollers came out awesome, so I'm super stoked on that. But dude, here she is. So I know a lot of people probably guessing different stuff. A lot of people said snowflakes, which no hate against anyone, but I'm not a huge fan of snowflakes personally. They look good on some trucks, but personally just not my favorite. Had to go with the split 7s. I've been waiting a long time to see if they came out with any new ones. You know, they got the RSTs, the new Cadillac ones, but just none of them screamed I love these to me or whatever. And so the split 7s have always been I've always been a really big fan of the split 7s, so that's what I had to go with. These are the 24x10 negative 24s, I do believe. Split 7s, and obviously 35, 12, 50, 24 Gladiator xcomps. And I'm absolutely in love. It came out so much better than I was even expecting. I was a little worried with all the black and white theme that I had going on that the black was going to kind of clash with the chrome, but I think it looks really good. And so I might not even have to change as much stuff as I was thinking I was going to. I was really thinking the headlight tint and everything was going to clash, but I think it all ties in pretty dang good together. We might do a couple more little chrome trim pieces just to tie it all in together, but I'm really stoked, and I really think like the white taillights and everything really go good with the chrome. We'll definitely do something with the third brake light here very shortly, but it's just gonna be a quick outro for y'all. I am running late this morning, but I'm just super stoked. I'm finally getting this video out to y'all. I've had like 20 people DM me on Instagram saying they saw me going down the road and stuff, and so no one's leaked a picture yet, but it's definitely been a close call, but I've had an absolute blast filming with this, and I really am excited about this. It's a totally different look, and I think it looks amazing. The 24s I think fit the truck really well. Everything fits really well. I mean, I'm in love with it. I think everything tied in great, and so gonna be tons of content on this. Obviously, we're gonna have a bunch of different videos, you know, showing if it rubs, you know, all the generic stuff. We're just gonna film a ton, but definitely comment down below. Let me know if any other content you'd like to see, or any questions, concerns, anything like that, and I'll definitely address it in the future. But we got several more clips coming in after this that are like Lauren's reaction and a couple other things that you'll see after this, but I just wanted to pop in here, give a little outro, and then the other things that were like filmed prior to this, but after I put them on, everything you'll see. Spike lug nuts, they've actually grown on me quite a bit. I actually do really like them. Unfortunately, we weren't able to put the spiked valve stem cover on because this valve stem has like a lip right there, and those caps didn't go over it, or maybe I just put them on wrong. I'll try them again. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hopefully y'all did enjoy the rest of these clips. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't be the goofball going on the road with your sticker still on your tire, trying to flex to everybody that you got new tires. You look like a goofball. Just take it off. Take it off. Nobody cares. Just take it off, okay? Definitely gonna be quite a bit taller than the old Turos. God, that's a good looking freaking tire. It's raining, and I don't even care. These babies are going on. Gonna show you all that the TPMS sensors from Amazon do in fact work. We're gonna use this relearn tool from Amazon as well. Super easy, but you know, do take into account this thing gonna honk its butt off. So if you're around like neighbors or whatever the case, anyways. I have already done it, but you just go here, hold your check mark. It's gonna honk. All right. So that is ready to go, and then your lights will actually light up whichever one it wants you to program. So as you can see, it wants us to do this one first. It's just a kind of nifty thing that Chevy does. All right, that's done. Come over here, this one will be lit up. Right here. Right there. And that tail light's lit up. Bada bing, bada boom. This tail light's lit up. Do this, it'll honk twice and we'll be done. Simple as that. Don't skimp out, guys. Cheapo Amazon TPMS sensors work great.
Oh, my favorite wheels.
About to get her reaction. I'm about to open up the door and see what she thinks. Dun, dun, dun.
I actually like them, but I absolutely hate those.
What?
Hate them.
They stick out a little farther than I thought they were going to.
Yeah, not a fan.
But they don't stick out past, like you can't see them from the straight.
No, you can't.
No, you can't. Not from straight. They don't stick out past the tire.
I do like them, but I'm not too crazy. I won't say I hate the little spiky things, but
Definitely different.
they're not wide at all.
Nope. They're tall.
Yeah.
They got some big old lugs on them. So this is probably going to be in the outtakes at the end of the video, but dude, I'm dumb excited. As long as these things ride good, dude, I'm so freaking stoked. I've literally not had a new set of wheels and tires on this truck in ever since I had these 22s, and I am like giggling like a little girl on the inside. Oh my gosh, dude, it is gonna be so freaking nasty. Hopefully I love no more offset. We're gonna change the look up. It's gonna be incredible. I love the wheels so much better on the tires, dude. They look so freaking good. And I know there's probably people in the comments roasting saying low pro mud tires are dumb and that kind of stuff, but dude, look how freaking I'm gonna actually keep these clean. Like, that looks insane how much they pop and shine, and just I literally am so freaking excited. And it's still gonna be 2 days before I can put these on, but dude, I'm losing it, dude. Like, that looks, I've never been a chrome person. I've had polished wheels on the Duramax and on Larry, but never like chromes, definitely never reps, definitely never 24s before. Dude, I am freaking stoked. I'm so excited right now. So like I said, probably make this at the end of the video, just I'm so excited. This truck has got to come back clean. I mean, it's filthy, it's disgusting. This thing needs to make a comeback, and what better time than with some new wheels and tires. And so I'm losing my mind. I'm genuinely super I'm probably way more excited than I should be, to be honest, but I really am. I really am. So yeah, I'm stoked. Totally thought he was getting on. He was going to get us for doing the rollers. Totally unrelated.